We all thought it was over. We watched them rolling a stone in front of a grave, and honestly, we felt like they were rolling it over our lives too. Hope doesn't survive at home. Saturday was just empty, but Sunday was different. It didn't start with a celebration, it started with confusion. The stone was gone, not moved, gone, like it has been tossed aside like a piece of paper. Mary was there, crying, looking for the body that wasn't there. She saw a man she didn't recognize. She was desperate. Then he just said her name, Mary. And in that one word, everything we know about that was just evaporated. He wasn't just back, he was new. He walked out of the darkness, so we couldn't have to stay in ours. The grave is still empty today, and that's the point. The story didn't end at the cross, it started at the curtain.